Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you just the 3 drops on your skin at night and wake up with younger looking skin naturally with very simple ingredients. It's super effective, wrinkles free skin, and remove any fine lines and fill in the wrinkles naturally. The first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy is 1 cucumber, and we need to grate around half cucumber like so. Like so, my friends. Now we need to strain it to get the fresh cucumber juice. Now we need to add 2 teaspoons of rice flour, يعني كيتشافا الكاتا. Then we need to add around 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix well all the ingredients. Now, after mixing and combining all the ingredients, apply it on your skin at night before sleep and leave it to the morning, and in the next morning you will notice a great result in your skin. It removes the wrinkles and fine lines and will get you younger looking skin naturally.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.